What starts as a simple disturbance call quickly turns chaotic. Deputies arrive to find a woman demanding to be arrested while refusing nearly every instruction she's given. As emotions rise, officers must balance patience, safety, and control. Watch closely. This encounter takes several unexpected turns. Do you think the deputies handled the opening moments the right way?
Hey, I need someone to get me out in 5 minutes, please.
Excuse me, I got one second. I have 1:15.
Hey, someone's coming for you. Just letting you know it's not Brad.
Hush. Hey, can you search her? But you're gonna need gloves. She's bleeding. She's bleeding.
I don't need them now. I don't need it. Take me to jail. Take me to jail.
Stop! Before I put you on the ground.
Put me on the ground.
We're being dumb. Stop!
Oh my goodness, be nice to people.
Leave it like that, because it's
No, I don't want an ambulance. I want you to take me to jail now, motherfucker.
Yeah, you are.
Now!
You are going to jail. Don't worry about you.
Then go! Take me!
Where's Granny?
What are you waiting for?
Huh?
Nothing is in my pockets. No drugs, nothing.
Alright. I don't believe it.
Well, watch it, bitch. Strip me. Nothing is in it. All I wanted is to talk to the owner of this store. And she was a bitch about it. She said we're closed. This is 24/7. I need to talk to Chris, the owner of the store. The owner of the store. I know him. He's Arabic.
Roll over.
No! Nothing, bitch. Nothing. Sheriff Young. Okay. Sheriff Young. Nothing. You see it? Nothing, bitch. Nothing. You see it? Nothing. Nothing. You're only gonna pay for this? I'm suing a sheriff already.
Sue, please do.
Oh, bitch, I'm coming for you too, and you. Okay, watch me. I will call Trump.
You're gonna call Trump?
Yeah.
You can call
And
Trump.
military.
And the military?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
National Guard's gonna come to my house?
You don't believe me now?
Nope.
Just watch me.
Have a seat.
I'm literally about to go viral on TikTok.
You probably will. You gotta... Yeah, give me a second. Oh. Chia. She is. You need some? Are you good?
No, I need some. Thank you. Alright, let's figure out. Besides that guy saw it.
Yeah, as soon as I saw her hit the thing. What the fuck is going on?
I pulled up and I just saw her go.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we all saw.
She hit her. But she said she dropped you, but she just didn't have the line.
She said she did right now.
It's always something with you.
I know.
Hey, why are you causing trouble? Come on.
You should change your profile. I have to get all my stuff coming down for a certain time. She didn't like that. And then she was like, can I talk to the owner? And I said, I'm over here. And she pushes everything down the floor, tried to push the white button over here to like the police. And then that's when she started putting in stuff. I was on the phone with the police, tried to snatch my phone out of my hand. She get my face out of the bed.
Did she hit you at all?
No, I wish she would.
Did she throw something or swing something at you?
No. When she had just picked that thing up when y'all pulled up. And she threatened to hit me. Then she seen y'all. She started hitting me.
Okay. Did she break anything in here?
No.
Can
y'all trespass her?
Hold on.
What?
There was a piece of candy on the floor. Did she throw that, or did she throw anything in the store?
Oh yeah, you see I'm putting this back up.
Oh, so she destroyed all. She threw that.
Oh yeah.
She was throwing that against the window.
Okay. What did she tell you? She said she threatened you. How she threatened you?
She was telling me that she would beat my ass. She would kill me. She got people coming after me. But when she said when she was getting in the car, she said, just let you know, you got somebody coming after you.
Okay.
And she was like, and then when I caught police, she was like, I'm not gonna be able to get too long, but I'll be out by the morning.
Okay.
And she like, you better watch your back.
Oh, that's sticky. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah, yours.
It's very sticky. Sticky, isn't it? Okay. It's probably just gonna be disorderly conduct. Yeah, I have another one in the on the other side of the car.
Oh, you see the car there?
You guys are late.
I cleared the other call out there and I started coming this way. And I was like, oh, maybe we'll forget something. And then you guys called up 10:15. I was like, well,
Oh,
still head this way anyway.
so disorderly resisting. There's a resisting whip because she tried to kick me, but she actually
Well, I sat on her legs. She was kicking me from when I was sitting on her legs.
well she wrapped my leg up with her leg like she did some spider monkey thing. I was going on the ground like, what? Get the f*** off.
Yeah,
Quick question. What's your name again? Nevaeh. Real quick. All the stuff that she was doing, was that disturbing the peace of the store? Would you like to press charges for that? All right, thank you. Can you raise your right hand for me? Since for everything you told me, truth, to best of your knowledge. All right, I'll be right back with a card for you.
Trouble, please. And prolong the situation. Would you have remained this patient?
There's no, she had nothing, right? Like no cars or anything?
No, she had a little house.
All right, ma'am, what's your name?
I need the lawyer. I'm not gonna talk to anybody. I need the lawyer right
All
now.
right, that's fine. I'm not asking you questions.
I need the lawyer right now.
Cool beans. So listen.
Right now. I'm not gonna say anything right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay. So listen to me real quick, okay?
Right now.
That's fine.
No, I'm not listening to you, mother.
That's fine.
I'm not listening to you. I have 100 people connection, drug dealers, everybody, owners of these businesses.
Cool beans. So
lawyer.
How about
lawyer.
this? I'm just gonna say something. You don't have to.
Shut the f*** up. I need a lawyer.
If you don't tell me your name, you're going to go to jail on the Jane Doe, and you will stay in jail.
For how long? 3 days?
No.
A week?
Because
a
you
month?
won't give a name, you're going to stay in jail until you give a name. And then you'll serve whatever sentence for this issue.
Yes.
Okay?
Shut the door, mother. Shut the door.
Well, that's not shutting the door, but
Close it. Why are you sitting there? Move
I'm not
over.
sitting at all.
I don't want to see you.
Well, you're going to see me for a while.
Well,
Even better.
close the door, bitch.
You have
Close the door.
Does your rapid work?
Boy has one.
Does this work? Mine doesn't work.
I tried it once and it did not work.
I couldn't even log in.
I think that's what I was running into. I think she wants to talk to me.
What's up?
Do your job and hurry up. Why are y'all standing there? Get in here and take me to jail, mother.
I don't want to be in there with you.
Oh, I love it.
228. Can I get the case number?
Yeah, if you want some pizza.
Is it a rabies tag? Actually, maybe.
Looks like a dog tag. Dog tag for
It does look like a dog tag for rabies.
You know, and the idea is I'm smarter than an FBI agent. I'm about to solve Nadia Kirsch case. So, look me up. Y'all arrested me, and when I needed y'all didn't help me for 8 times. So, suing everybody in this town.
She's like, is the camera recording? Like, yeah. I need everyone on TikTok to come help me. She did say she's smarter than the average FBI agent, though. Hey, ma'am. This business card, it has my name, my radio number, phone number for the sheriff's office, and the case number in reference to this. Real quick, I just need you to come up to my door, tell that she's trusted. That's all you gotta say to her, okay? She probably not gonna listen, but just say that and you can walk away, okay? Hold that thought.
I don't want. Hey, can you move me to a different
Who's that coming? Is that Lavoy?
Yeah, the boy's supposed to be coming with a rapid.
We'll see his rapper first, and if she keeps kicking, I'll hob her. Hobble. There you go. English is hard today. That's it. I'm gonna roll down the window. You want to tell her real quick, and then you can go back in the store.
The trespass.
You understand that you're trespassed from here, okay? I know. I like the way she says it, though. I like the accent, the way she says it. Please get your wife. Ain't my wife. As soon as we pulled up, she was hitting the window with something. Put gloves on. One of her hands is bleeding. I don't know what from. Probably being crazy. Don't do it. She said she's going to get all of Trump on us. Hell yeah. And she looked into the cameras. Is this recording? I need all of TikTok to help me. So which one y'all brought y'all South Florida craziness or Central Florida craziness to us?
I'm gonna take credit for that. Daytona's got a lot of
What is
Jacksonville's pretty harsh too.
what do y'all consider yourselves?
They never do. Northern Florida? Central Florida.
We're Northern Florida.
We're still Northern
This is
Florida.
Western Florida.
We're on the opposite end of I-10. I-10 leads.
We're the real Northern Florida, okay? When people think of Northern Florida, they think of us.
knowing everything.
I feel like this is more like Florida Bama, like that good old boy area.
Is she giving you any kind of a name?
No. She knows.
Which side? This side.
She's right here.
No.
Hello, young lady.
No.
Turn face that way for me.
No.
I'll turn you facing that way. Don't.
What is this
Hold
for,
on.
sir?
We're probably gonna get some gloves. Hold on.
Do not fight me.
Hold on, man. We'll get some gloves real quick. And we'll get
I
out there.
want you to talk to me, mother. What is this I told them my name. What's your name? Christina Ibrahim.
Okay. Spell that last name.
Moore.
First name Christine?
Yes.
C or K?
Okay. That's how it
C-H or K?
Bitch.
Hey, Christina. Christina.
This
Is it
incident
CH
shows
or
how
K?
a routine trespassing complaint can escalate when cooperation breaks down. The deputies
Find her.
repeatedly
Yeah. Yes.
explain the situation and avoid unnecessary
Nah. The jail can have fun with that.
informants like this highlight
They
the
had a hell of a
importance
night
staying
tonight.
calm.
Did they? Oh, they're gonna love me then.
Oh, they're going to follow you.
What are your thoughts on how this situation is handled?
All right, guys.
If you enjoyed
I'm headed to
this
jail now.
like, subscribe, and share for more real-life Bodycam cases.